Is Cardano about to explode in price? Let's dig in. So let's start on coin market cap. The total market cap of crypto globally is up 0.23% at the time of recording and stands at $1.67 trillion. Look, I'm expecting this to be a $10 trillion market come the peak of the bull run in what I believe is going to be the longest and the biggest crypto bull run in history. Super excited about this one. And yeah, look, I think we're right on the cusp of it, to be honest. One big pullback and then off to the races is how I view it in 2024. So Bitcoin at 42,234.69. This is down 0.52% in the past 24 hours. And Ethereum at 2,327.10, down 1.26%. Cardano down 1.67% and is now at 0.6069. Look, there's a lot going on, but let's sort of dig into what this analyst is saying. So we've got it here. Cardano ADA at Crossroads. Analyst predicts explosive move. This is really interesting. Yeah, look, luck side, never heard of this individual. Argued that Cardano is standing at a critical junction facing a pivotal move that could determine its future trajectory. And I think this is rather interesting. He says that it's on a verge of making a very, very, very bullish move to the upside. But he's saying somewhere between 60 to 67 cent, and I think this is really interesting stuff. I'm going to drop this in our Discord. He thinks that 70 cent is something that is very possible. So going to be really interesting. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. We got India blocks URLs of Kraken, Binance, and 7 other crypto firms. This is something that we tweeted out earlier today. We've got Binance blocked Kraken, 𝗗𝗄𝘀, KuCoin, Bittrex, Gate.io, Bitstamp, Bitfinex, and Mexi Global after claiming that the virtual asset service providers were operating illegally and did not comply with the provisions of Money Laundering Act. So interesting to see this happening. We got 5 data points suggest a crypto bull run or bull market began in 2023. What next in 2024? Again, really interesting stuff. I personally expect a pullback, but everyone else seems to be very, very bullish and expect moves to just continuously go up, and the price of Bitcoin and other crypto assets to continue to do really well. Lots of talk of the Bitcoin halving and all that wonderful stuff. Look, I've come on the record many times suggesting to expect a big crash for stocks and crypto when the Fed pivot. I think this is going to happen just before the Bitcoin halving. This is my prediction, and it will coincide, I guess, with the crash and then the halving. Everything will be positive and we're in the bull run. That's kind of how I see it. A lot of these indicators, I think, will be invalidated, and I will be vindicated yet again, as I have been many times in this bear market. So interesting stuff. I am going to drop this in our Discord for you to read through at your leisure. I definitely recommend reading through. It is an interesting read. We got crypto had reputational issues this year. 2024 will change that. And look, I want to talk about this because I do think that things are going to be very, very positive in 2024. I think we're going to see a U-turn in the US. I think we're going to see Gary Gensler step down or be fired. I think that things are going to become very, very positive around the world, but particularly in the US for blockchain technology. This is all going to be, stemming off the Bitcoin spot ETFs with the likes of BlackRock, JP Morgan, ARK Invest and many other, funds getting involved. I think we're going to see exposure when it comes to Bitcoin and retirement funds. This is going to really open the floodgates for crypto, Bitcoin, and so on. And I think that in the short term, people are going to see a lot of volatility and we're going to see a big pullback. But going later on into 2024, I think it's going to be very, very positive. And like I say, the biggest and the longest bull market we are ever going to see when it comes to cryptocurrency. I'm super excited about all of this stuff. And, January 10th, we could kick off with some really positive news around the Bitcoin spot ETFs. So crypto trader predicts 50% surge for Polygon rival, says Cardano setting the stage for potential rally. Again, another analyst talking about the fact that not only Polygon but also Cardano are going to do very, very well in the bull run. Lots and lots of really bullish talk on Cardano. The total value locked has grown immensely. And look, I am sat with Cardano being my biggest exposure in the crypto market. It's number one in my portfolio. It's going to be really, really interesting to see how things play out. Do you expect a new all-time high for Cardano? I do. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Scam recruiters target blockchain devs on Upwork. Still crypto with NPM packages. This is something we're seeing more and more. We want to be really careful. I quite often highlight scams that impact, your general retail investor. But I also want to highlight people that could be vulnerable offering services in blockchain. So if you're a dev in crypto and you're doing stuff on say Upwork or Fiverr, just be very, very careful at the moment. Again, I will link this in our Discord for you to read through at your leisure. And then we've got market brace for Epic. $11 billion crypto options expiry event. Again, a really big, important thing to be aware of. The end of year expiry of options, $11 billion in options about to expire. Expect a volatile end to the year. I think that, these sorts of events, over 178,000 Bitcoin option contracts worth $7.6 billion are expected to expire on the 29th of December, which is today. So you want to be really, really cautious of this, right? Total value expiring crypto contracts is estimated to be $11 billion, up from last year's $9.8 billion. So look, it's getting bigger and bigger. 1.49 million Ethereum contracts are also up. I want everybody to be trading safe. Really important that you understand what's going on in the crypto space. Don't get caught out with these events that happen that some people know about and others don't. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, mash up that like button. It really does support the channel. We really do appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the content. Mash up the like button if you did, and subscribe so you don't miss any videos. Tap in that notification bell. Right. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.